Environment is the place, people, things, and nature that surround any living organism. It is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. It is a combination of natural and human-made phenomena.
Environment has played a very important role to make able to survive for all living and non-living component on Earth. While talking about the advantages of Earth, it has much more benefit. Good environment is good for living things. Same as polluted environment is very harmful to living things.
So this is one of the beautiful environment here in Baglao, which is the Luna Hill. This white sand and clear water beach.
Hi, can I interview you?
Yes, you may.
Can I ask you some questions about our environment?
Okay, sure.
My first question is, what have you seen in our environment today?
As what I've observed, people tend to abuse or misuse of the resources that we have, specifically the trees. As we can see, some trees are being cut down. We can find garbages everywhere, and pollutions are also rampant. And vehicles are inevitable indeed because as we are now living in a modernized world, and also there's a lot of waste that we can see, specifically at the seashore.
For my second question or for my follow-up question, as a student, what can you contribute to our environment?
Okay, so as a student, the basic contribution that I can give is should begin within myself, because from the lessons that I've gained from my teachers that they have disseminated, I should put that on my mind that conserving nature is very much important, and I would be responsible enough in assimilating that. I would conserve, and I would be responsible in throwing my garbage, even a little garbage. I would be responsible.
what I have seen in our environment, as of now, we can see some trees and plants, and trees and plants are very important for us. But for now, as time passes by, our home is slowly being killed. So
As a student, how can you contribute to our environment?
it is very common for us to say that we must conserve our environment, but the main problem is this is how we can eradicate this problem. So for me, we should plant trees and be responsible also, like what Vigi said.
Garbage is discarded in ways that cause it to end up in our environment dirty. People tend to dispose their garbage in our surrounding, which is not a good example to see.
Forestation is the main contributor in global warming, and often cited as one of the major causes to enhance the greenhouse effect. Deforestation occurs for multiple reasons like cutting down of trees to be used for buildings, which is very sad to see. We must conserve water because it is the most important needs of human and animals to survive.
We must continue to clean our environment like cleaning the yards to maintain the cleanliness and green surrounding.
As a human, we need to plant trees to prevent floods, landslide, and other natural disasters that are happening in our environment right now.
Mga tao ngayon ay di na marunong magtapon ng basura sa tamang paraan. Kagaya nito, naghalo-halo na ang mga basura. Katulad ng mga plastic, cartoon, mga plastic na bus.
We must dispose our garbage properly to avoid dirty environment. If you can clean your environment, then don't make it dirty.